Now we have to do this page, make the children do this page. They have oral preparation of singular and plural. Please remember, teachers, that the children will not be able to do any concept in level 3 if they are not prepared orally. Like oral is to be done before the written work. Whole week oral is there. If you have to do the singular and plural in the next week, this week, Monday to Friday, you have to do the oral of that topic. So we will understand that the children have done orally the singular and plural topic. Now we ask them, what is this? Pin. The children will be able to write pin because they have done 3-letter words. We ask them to write it. They write per, e, n, pin. One pin is pin. More than one, the children know pins. We ask them to write it. Pins over here. Per, e, n, pins. Like this. You can write it on the board when he is doing it in the book. Flower. One flower, flower, and more than one flower, flowers. Now we will write. We ask the children to write it. We can write this word because this is a difficult word. We can write it on the board. And the children, they can copy it. And later on they will learn the spelling. Flower. Now flowers. So he will write from here. Flowers. What is this? Top. One top is top. More than one, tops. He will be able to write top very easily. And this is tops. So the children will know that the whole spelling of singular is to be written and only S is to be added in plural by writing these words.